super guarantee for your employees, even yourself as a business owner. If you operate a company, you as a company director, you're probably earning wages, right? And even you're not exempt from paying super on time. So let's talk about super and how it all works. So for this financial year, the super guarantee rate on all the gross payments you make, typically for most employees, is 12%. You can pay that every time you process a pay run, which I strongly suggest you do, or at minimum, you need to pay it by 28 days after the quarter ends. So if we're talking about the September quarter, which is coming up, you would have to make sure that all your employee super, even you as a business owner, the director, that super is in the employee super fund by the 28th of October. So what does this mean? Well, think about super clearinghouse as well, which is how most business owners are paying their super. Now, there's a little bit of a clearing time, a little bit of a lag time between that super getting in there. So to be compliant, you want to make sure that you are processing that payment. I'd say at least a week before it's due. I'd even probably just say a little bit more. So maybe the 18th of October, you're processing your employee super. And when you do process that employee super on time and it gets paid on time, it is tax deductible. But here's the thing, if you don't process it on time, it is no longer tax deductible. And then it gets worse. The ATO, they are on top of this now. They are sending so many requests out there now for employee super guarantee statements, which basically is a statement reporting all that super for every quarter, where they charge fines for every employee that was late, and then also interest on the super that was late. So it's really important, guys, that you process a super, get it done. And the reason it's so important is that your employees, they're number one. Without your employees, you could not operate your business, and you want to look after them. And I can tell you as well, I've noticed this trend, especially with our business clients. I've heard of younger staff out there being on top of their super, especially with the ability to get your super on an app on your phone, and they're onto it. They're going, hey, why haven't you paid my super? Don't upset your employees. They are your number one asset. Look after them, pay their super on time, and most importantly, get the tax deduction.